Now, the first time you look at the back of your console, you will think that you will never remember what goes where, or you may end up getting confused. This is my console, and it may be different from the console that you may have. These days, connectors on consoles are color-coded to match the sockets and plugs of the various sockets that you will be using to plug into them. Let's begin and learn what these connectors and plugs are for. First of all, on the top, we have the monitor power connector. Next, we have the power in cable, which makes you connect this cable in the end after connecting all the other cables. Then, we have the keyboard port, followed by a few USB ports, which are used for different USBs. Then, there is the serial port. Then, the display adapter port, followed by the speakers, sound line in, microphone, phone, fan outlet, mouse port, network port, printer port, parallel port, joystick port, line or modem port, USB ports, and the video VGA connector.